Welcome to a humbling expedition to one of the most formidable peaks of the Himalayas. Standing tall at 6387 meters, 20,954 feet, this majestic mountain in the Garhwal region of India beckons adventurers and mountaineers with its sheer beauty and treacherous terrain. Join us on a breathtaking journey as we, a team of climbers embracing the challenge, battling extreme conditions, and experiencing the raw power and unforgiving nature of the mountains. This documentary will not only showcase the physical and mental challenges of high altitude mountaineering, but also a humbling experience of those who dare to dream. Welcome to the story of Kala Nag, also known as Black Peak.
Hang on.
हाँ.
मेरे वो बुलेट पॉइंट्स रख लो कि
क्या
क्या बताना है.
Hi, my name is Shimo, and where are we going and what are the stages? Okay.
Stages.
मतलब सीमा, रुनसराताल.
याद ही नहीं.
कैटेगरी क्या था वो कैटेगरी?
अबे
वो वाला कर ले.
नहीं पता.
वो वाला कर ले, शेरपा वाला.
हाँ चलो.
मी 2 टाइम केदार घंटा. चंद्रशिला चोपटा and you.
Yo bro,
This is Ankit.
this is Ankit.
Hi guys, what's up? What's new and
What's happening?
what's happening? We are currently at this place called Taluka, and we are going to this beautiful place called Kala Nag with a team of 4 plus one porter plus one guide on top. All right, alag level cameraman we have here, Ankit, and we have a lot of luggage. Each bag weighing roughly around 20 kilos.
25 kg brother.
25? Yeah.
25 brother.
25. And let's do it. All right. I think I have to move from there.
Sign off. तो लग रहा है
1500 massage. Ah ha ha.
How does it feel, Sai?
Ah. Family channel, sorry. What is this drink called?
बुरांश का
रोडोडेंड्रन ये है ना ये.
रोडोडेंड्रॉन
जूस.
अंग्रेज लोगों के लिए रखा है। We are at Sima, and that's the Oslo village, and we're gonna have Maggie in the lunch.
Team leader, removing his socks.
How are you feeling?
How are you feeling?
Okay.
Okay. How far did we come today?
Came from Sakri. We came from Sakri.
Sakri.
Yeah.
Sakri to
Sakri to Sima.
Sima.
It's around 11 kilometers. And it is around 11 kilometers and it took around 5 hours, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good morning. Sorry, good afternoon. Sorry, good evening. Yeah, good afternoon. We are at this beautiful place called Ruin Saratal. You can see the lake down below. You can't see it from here, obviously. And fortunately for us, we are staying today in this houses. This is a cement house, that's a wooden house. And we started roughly at around 7:50. Yeah,
Exactly. We started at 7:50
And we came roughly 15 kilometers.
in
Now it is 2:30. So you can do the math. It's too much to do math. The current altitude is 3,500 meters, which is something feet. You can do the math. All right. If you pan around, you can see Swargarohini on the top, and Kalanag is somewhere there behind. This is Bandar Pooch.
but you can't see anything now.
Yeah, we can. The weather is going to get nasty tomorrow. Nasty. IMD report says that it's going to be heavy rainfall in Uttarakhand. And what are we doing here? Damn.
We are not supposed to be here. We are the only group who is coming up actually. Show us. We have Mr.
Shivam
Shivam.
Bhaiya.
भैया यूपी से तो भैया बना दिया.
We have the team leader.
Afaq, Mr. Afaq, say hello. इसके बाद अंधेरा होगा.
2 tents here. You can see. So that we get more cozy. Hopefully there is no snake. Himalayan viper.
Hopefully. And we have good cushioning here.
Hay. Natural. Yeah.
Can barely see Sai.
Okay.
So yeah, this is Sai's makeshift sleeping mat, which is basically his jacket and a couple of back covers. So yeah, peace out.
Go climb this and then get down again. Repeat. Gone.
Look at that. Look there.
Yeah, that is only Black Peak.
हम लोग काफी दूर नहीं है. ये हम हैं.
ये हम
हमारा ब्लैक पीक.
party हो रही है.
पहाड़ी हो रही है.
We are at Upper Karakoti at an altitude of 4220 meters, which is roughly 13,890 feet. We left at 8:05 in the morning from our previous campsite, which was Ruinsara Tal. The distance from Ruinsara Tal to Upper Karakoti is roughly 7 kilometers. This here is Kalanag, somewhere hidden behind the cloud. The glacier that you see is the Bandapur glacier, and the glacier towards the left is Kalanag's glacier. C1 is somewhere there, C2 is somewhere higher, and here we have Swargarohini 1, 2 and 3, all hidden behind the cloud. So yeah, that's it.
We acclimatized by doing breathwork and yoga. The altitude over 4000 meters demands respect, and we had planned a series of activities to ensure our bodies adjusted to the thin air. We turned our attention to sorting out food and gear. We organized our food supplies. Our evenings were filled with the comforting aroma of hot soups and freshly cooked meals, warming us against the cold mountain air. The next day at Upper Kyarkoti brought a dramatic shift in the weather. As the night descended, the temperatures plummeted below zero, and we found ourselves in the grip of biting cold. Hygiene in sub-zero conditions required creativity and determination. We used hot water from our stoves to wash our faces and brush our teeth, the steam rising in the cold air like wisps of smoke.
Okay, what's up? What's new? What's happening, guys?
Don't copy my dialogue.
Shut the fuck up. We are at the we are on the Lord Ferry for the Kalanag summit. Okay, we are carrying our technical equipments as well as summit food.
Where's the camp?
Camp is there, if you can see.
Zoom,
Not
zoom, zoom,
sure.
zoom,
With the
zoom.
GoPro wide angle, you can see that. We are at almost 2 kilometers. Over to Sai. ये हमारे टेक्निकल लीडर हैं आशु भाई, but Ashu bhai don't give a fuck, so coming back to Sai.
Yeah, there's nothing to tell. You told everything.
Do that sign off. Peace.
This is the toughest part of
Peace,
Kalanag trek.
This is not the toughest part.
This is the toughest part that you'll do. As you can see, I don't know, you can see a red color tent there. That's a Bengali gang which is parked over there. So we are not able to go there because there's very less space for us to pitch tent.
कैंप 2 नहीं, वो दौंधार कांडी का बेस है। तो हम सीधा वहाँ पे करेंगे, वहाँ से हमारे समिट कैंप आसान हो जाएगा ना।
सीधा वहाँ से।
हाँ, वहाँ से सीधा समिट कैंप। इतना वाला भाई डेंजरस वाला पोर्शन छूट जाएगा।
हाँ। The route is you get on there and then go all the way to there. Park. It's all white out. This is the glacier. ये बंदरपूछ glacier. हाँ.
और ये वाला ब्लैक
We have pitched our tent. We are offloading and then we'll head back to base camp.
हाँ जी, तो ये पूनम जी से विनम्र निवेदन है कि कृपया पत्थरों पे अपनी छाप ना छोड़ा करें। टान तक सही था, बट नाम नहीं सही था। Zone.
One wrong move, you just collapse down. This is a very tricky and dangerous place. Ankit, aa jao. Back to back. Because you're carrying weight. I mean, unfortunately, if you make a mistake, it can cost a lot. यहाँ से this way. अच्छा चलो, एक सेकंड. We are back to base camp from an acclimatization plus load ferry rotation. Overall, it was good. We came back with empty backpacks, but again we'll be going back tomorrow with loaded backpacks. What is it you are applying? What is it?
This is Himalaya cocoa butter.
Cocoa butter.
Where's the product?
Product is here. We are getting a
Sponsorship. Yeah.
Himalaya cocoa butter.
5 मिनट में एकदम अभी देख
Solid. Smell भी, tent के smell भी. This is penultimate jugaad. His shoe is torn and
जैकेट थोड़ा पड़ा दो ना मेरे पे, ये वाला करता हूँ मैं।
जय माता दी।
इसके बाद थोड़ा आराम से।
मैं
Hi guys, the time is 2:10. Day 5 Kalanag expedition, Black Peak Kalanag expedition. We are at 4815 meters, that is roughly 15,000 feet, and we are camping tonight here. Tomorrow we are heading this way through the glacier. It's getting white out there, but the route is there, and then we traverse all the way on the glacier to the right, and then again you get onto a col, probably a gully, and then again traverse left, and that will be our summit camp. From there push again right to the top, to summit.
How high is the summit, Sai?
Pardon?
How high is the summit?
It is 6387 meters, which is roughly 2960 feet. Yeah.
kitchen tent, my tent, Shivam and Ankit, Afaq and me. It's white out. White out. Let's go inside. Hailstorm.
ऐसे से बत्ती जलती है।
ये किचन में ही था ना, तो मेरे को लगा वो लाल वाला और वो दोनों रख लिए होंगे फिर मेरे डाल दियो। तो किस में डालना था वो? नूडल्स में?
पास्ता में।
पास्ता।
लेके जाओ अंदर।
ग्लेशियर टूटा क्या कोई?
नहीं
क्यों? टेंट चाड़ रहा था यार। टेंट चाड़ रहा था। सही कैसा लग रहा है? Yeah, it's good. It's not that cold.
लेग्स देगा।
It's not that cold.
हाँ, ऊपर रख दो, सबका गीला कर दो, अपना सुखा लो।
This is my pant. 15,000 feet. Very, very nice. और है क्या?
और है क्या?
We are at 15,000 feet, and we are going to eat papasta. Pasta. Sauce नहीं है.
As the storm stopped and the weather cleared, we stepped out of our tents to witness the best sunset of our lives. Swargarohini Peak shone like a white rose. Afaq and me came across a problem which we intended to solve before sleeping. The zip of our tent wasn't meaning to close on us, and we slept with the cold air engulfing us.
Does not seem to be working right now.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, काला नाग बाबा की, ब्लैक पीक की। else eating something without sharing.
हेलो नियर टू द समिट कैंप
भाई
वहाँ जाना खूब चिंता खूब
क्या हुआ अभी? क्रेवास
क्रेवास सेक्शन क्रॉस और अब यहाँ से चढ़ाई समिट कैंप के लिए। वो हमको दिख रहा है, हम के ऊपर ही हमारा समिट कैंप होगा
यहाँ पे।
हाँ इस वाले हम के ऊपर।
मैं सोच रहा था दूसरा हम्प।
नहीं हाँ तो खोल पे कहाँ रहोगे? यहाँ पे लगाएंगे फिर देखते हैं हम क्या करना है।
उड़ जा सिलसिल। We have stopped for a drinks break. Drinks break. भाई लोग चाय बन रहा है।
चाय पियो क्या खाया वो? चाय पियो वाला पहाड़ों की मैगी में मजा
आओ ना।
मैं निकाल दूँ।
अरे आओ ना।
वही मारे रहे थे इसमें ये चीज़ तो लाए ला
अभी ऑन है।
अभी 170 करीबन होता है ना।
The winds picked up overnight. Kalanag was talking. We hardly spoke to each other in the night, and we slept through the cold and chilly night. The next morning, there were crosswinds. Ankit, Shivam, Ashubai and Budhibai left for the summit, while we got ready in our tents. Saurabhai waited for us. Afaq and me got ready, and I stepped out of the tent and I went towards the kitchen tent to have my breakfast. While Afaq followed me, the kitchen tent, he turned around. To his utter dismay, our tent had flown away. We took a decision not to go to the summit and wait at the kitchen tent because the kitchen tent was going to fly away.
What's happening, Afaq? क्या चल रहा है सौरभ भाई?
बस विंड चल रहा है, स्नोफॉल विंड।
और टेंट का क्या सीन है यहाँ पे?
टेंट का तो देख लो, लगे पड़े।
एक टेंट तो चला गया,
एक चल दिया एरोप्लेन बन के।
The scene is bad. As you can see, them. I think so. No, they're way past that. But you can't see Kalanag, and our tent also has flown. It has flown away. This tent is torn. This is the kitchen tent. That somewhere there is ABC. You have to get back.
पहले तो बोला यहाँ पर इतनी तक गिरा हुआ है ना, अगर टेंट छोड़ दे ना, टेंट का पता नहीं चलेगा कहाँ गया। टाइम 9 बज गया, 9 बज गया, 9। बोले टेंट छोड़ो, निकलो, टेंट का पता है ना कहाँ जाएगा। और हम भी कितना तो चलेंगे। डाउन हो रहा है क्या? रिपीट ओवर। स्नोबॉल हो रहा है। कॉपी कॉपी ओवर। आउटर की तो बैंड बच गए। हाँ wind is coming from all sides, this side and this side. यहाँ पे बुरी हालत है। आ रहा हूँ। इस साइड पोल, इस साइड रख दिया पोल। There a tent was at that side. No tent now. It flew. Yes, surviving on this. क्या पोल टूट गया? पोल दूसरा वहां से नहीं, पोल सही है, बीच वाला सही है।
6200 हवा ना हवा
आईलेसेस जमा हुआ है क्या? फोटो चाहिए फोन से, फोन से। नहीं इतना नहीं। कांट इवन फील इट ब्रदर।
बैठो बैठो बैठो
बैठो। जिप खोलना, जिप वो दूसरा जिप। टेंट का ये सही। हाँ चला गया है, पूरा है इसमें पावर बैंक, आफाक का। उस टाइम यही बोल रहा था मैं कि फॉल डाउन। They are back safely.
रस्सी पे बांधो सारे।
बहुत अच्छा यार। हाँ देखा मैंने। Wind is white out. You can't see anything. Nothing. It's completely. Weather has just turned super bad. Yeah. As you can see, this is stone. The snow levels have risen. We have to get down that way, and this is packed. Our tent flew, like I told last time. The weather is just getting more bad and bad. This is stone.
नीचे ग्लेशियर साइड का
अंदर का
हाँ और रिज तो कब से दिख रही चलो ठीक है रिज दिख रही है आशा की किरण
अब उम्मीद की किरण जागने दो
महाराज
अभी तो जाहिद की यार कोटी लेटने को होने वाली अगर ऐसे और 1 घंटे चले हैं
थोड़ा सीरियस चाहिए।
सीरियस ना है मस्त गाने को चम्मच चम्मच में
बस खोल ले अब तो खोल ले जीत गया तू थोड़ा सा शाबाश
अरे भाई
एक पे घूर रहे कब उठे लेके जाएगा इस वीडियो सामने जस्ट ये देख सरगारोनी रेंज अगली बार इसको क्लाइंब करना है
दे दिया हमारे को भरोसा तब तक सेट कर ले तब तक नहीं अच्छा बीच का हिस्सा तो इधर आ रहा था
So as you can see यहाँ पे टेंट था अभी टेंट नहीं है
उड़ के बम चले गया
पता ही नहीं है उसमें 2 लोग भी गायब है
ये देखो यहाँ पर टेंट फट गया हमारे
भाई स्टिक देखना इस सुबह पूरा ऊपर था अभी अंदर है वो स्टिक
पूरे जोश में था
ये देखो यहाँ पर रस्सी बन गया है
टेंट फट चुका है पूरा
पूरा
उड़
हालत
चुका
डाउन
है
हो गया
विद टिक
बढ़िया बढ़िया कैसा लग रहा है आपको बढ़िया लग रहा है मजे मजे हैं
एक काला नाग दिख रहा है अभी Wait out. काला नाग
to go there. The expedition is just getting crazier. There's a crevasse field we need to negotiate, but to get to that, there are more crevasses here. That's Buddhi Bhai on the extreme right, Ashu Bhai and Saurabh Bhai who are doing the negotiation. Technical guides who have been here many times. मजा आ रहा है, वीडियो भी ले रहा हूँ.
हाँ ले लो यहाँ पर थोड़ा ना करे पास भी बढ़िया से लेना जरूर.
As you can see, there's a crevasse on the right and the left. We've come down from there through this crevasse section. We'll get down there and then the whole field is crevasse field. The tent opened in between. Canister is gone. Somewhere there, rolled down. We have to get back through this whole section is crevasse field. Get down first, encounter the crevasse field, then go left. There you'll find Camp 1. Hopefully we get there peacefully without any problem. The weather, the sun is out there, so as good as the sun is out there, it's good. No wind as of now. It's light, snowing. This is the crevasse field, we have to get there. Shivam, where are we?
Yeah.
Where are we?
Where are we? Table top, Table Glacier. Table Glacier.
Hey Ashutosh, bye.
Crevasse field.
Are sledging. Chota Gulmarg. A big shout out to my friends from the Right Now show, Abhinav and Abhinandan, without which this trip wouldn't have happened. So thank you a lot. Although this is a failed expedition for me, but a very knowledgeable one, something to learn, something to get back home with. So thank you. This is Ruin Saratal. Humbling. A little bit loudly. Summarize Black Peak in one word.
It was humbling.
Summarize Black Peak in one word.
endurance.
Blow away.
What?
Blow off.
Huh?
Blow off.
Blow off. Okay.
Blew off.
And Sai, what is your one word for Kalanag?
Terrifying.
Come again?
Terrifying. Terrifying.
Terrifying. All right.
As Sir Edmund Hillary once said, it's not the mountain we conquer, but ourselves. Mountaineering, like life, is not always about reaching the top. It's about the journey, the people you share it with, and the resilience you discover within yourself. Every step, every breath, every challenge faced is a testament to our strength and spirit. Thank you.